Hello friends. Welcome back to TESTOFF channel. The correct answer will be shown 10 seconds after the question. You can pause the video if this time is not enough for you. Don't forget to share your results in the comments below the video. Subscribe to TESTOFF channel and share this video with your friends. Let's get started. I'd better phone my dad or else he'll be worried. Information. An expensive ring. My friend saw bears in Yellowstone National Park. Vegetables are good for your health. I'm against capital punishment. He didn't get an invitation. If you hadn't eaten so much, you wouldn't be feeling sick now. He called me at 11 in the evening to tell me that he finally found a solution. I hope she will decide to join our community.